Good morning to all. Let us start the chapter Mean and Variance of Probability Distribution for class 12, CBSE and as well as ISC board. Chapter name is Probability. The main part of the probability chapter, that is mean and variance. How to calculate mean and variance of probability distribution, just see. Let me discuss. You must have noted the striking resemblance between probability distribution and frequency distribution. Probability distribution and frequency distribution. In frequency distribution, we define arithmetic mean that you have done in lower class. In case of frequency distribution, we define arithmetic mean as x bar is equal to mu is equal to summation fi sigma fi xi by total frequency. Similarly, in a discrete probability distribution, we define mean as mu is equal to summation pi xi, means sigma pi xi by total probability sigma pi. As you know, total probability is equal to 1. Total probability equal to 1. Therefore, mean is equal to sigma pi xi. P means probability of individual item. It is can be written like this: p1 x1 plus p2 x2 plus dot dot up to pn xn. Mean is also called average or expected value. Mean is also called average or expected value or expectation. Okay, the mean, the other name is average or expected value or expectation, denoted by ex. Similarly, the variance denoted by var x or sigma, that is standard deviation whole square. Square of the standard deviation is equal to variance. Therefore, sigma square, which is equal to variance, is equal to sigma pi xi minus mu whole square. Mu is arithmetic mean, means mean or expected value. Okay. Therefore, sigma will be how much? Just to see, sigma will be sigma is summation pi xi square minus mu, means that is mean, square root over. Therefore, standard deviation is equal to ex square minus ex whole square. Okay, ex square means what? Sigma pi xi square. Let us go some question that will be clear for you. Question number 1: find the mean, variance and standard deviation of the probability distribution. See, this is the probability distribution table given. X given 2, 3, 4 respectively probability given. Then probability getting 2, that is 0.2. For 3, probability given 0.5. For x equal to 4, probability given 0.3. Now, from this table you have to find out mean, variance and standard deviation. How to construct the table? Xi column, that is 2, 3, 4. Pi column probability, respectively probability 0.2, 0.5, 0.3. Now you have to find out pi into xi, just multiply. After that you will find out pi into xi square, means 2 whole square into 0.2, becoming 0.8. 3 whole square into 0.5, 4.5. 4 whole square into 0.3, that is 4.8. Now you have to find total pi xi and total pi xi square. Therefore, mean is equal to summation pi xi, total pi xi, that is 3.1, and variance is equal to, that is sigma or summation pi xi square, that is 10.1 minus mean whole square, 3.1 whole square. It is coming 0.49. This is variance equal to 0.49. Therefore, standard deviation will be root over of variance, that is 0.49 root over, it is coming 0.7. Question number 1 completed. Next question, number 2. Find the variance of the probability distribution. This is the distribution table given. X given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Respectively, probability given 1 by 6, 5 by 10, 2 by 9, 1 by 6, 1 by 9, 1 by 18. Okay, and you have to find out variance. This is the distribution table, probability distribution table. Therefore, for the calculation of variance, we have to find out summation pi xi and summation pi xi square before. Okay, let's see. For the calculation of mean, we have to apply the formula summation pi xi, that means p1 into x1 plus p2 into x plus p3 into x3, like this continue. 1 by 6 into 0, just to multiply pi given 1 by 6 for first case, x given 0, and when x value is 1, probably 5 by 10, just to multiply like the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respective probability you have to multiply. The result coming 35 by 18. Next, summation pi xi square means probability into xi value जो given, that square means 0 square 0, 1 by 6 into 0, 5 by 18 into 1 का whole square plus 2 by 9 into 2 का whole square means 4, 1 by 6 into 3 का whole square, that is 9, plus 1 by 9 into 4 का whole square 16, plus 1 by 18 into 5 का whole square, that is 25. After simplification I getting 105 by 18. The variance formula is what? Summation pi xi square, that is this value, minus mean summation pi xi whole square, 35 by 18 whole square. After simplification you are getting 665 by 324. This is the second question completed. Let us go to number 3 question. Just see what is given number 3. Question number 3. The probability distribution of a random variable x is given as under. Px given kx square for x is equal to 1, 2, 3. 2kx for x is equal to 4, 5. And whenever you will take x values 1, 2, 3, you have to take these values. When x is equal to 4, 5, you have to take this value 2kx. Otherwise, you have to write 0. Where k is a constant, calculate the value of k. And second one is probability x greater than equal to 4. Greater than equal to 4 means 4, 5, 6 you have to take. And ex, third one is ex, expectation. Okay. So first of all, you have to calculate the distribution table. How to calculate? When x is equal to 1, that means you have to take first kx square, which will be k. When x is equal to 2, then for x equal to 1, 2, 3, you have to take kx square. This will be, probability will be k, 4k, 9k. And when x equal to 4, you have to take 2kx. This will be 8k. When x equal to 5, this will be 2k into 5, that is 10k. And when x equal to 6, 2k into 6, that is 12k. As you know, total probability is equal to how much? 1. That is k plus 4k plus 9k plus 8k plus 10k plus 12k equal to how much? 1. Total probability summation pi is equal to 1. From here easily you can calculate k value, that is 1 by 44. Now you have to find out probability when x greater than equal to 4. Means p4, p5, p6, you have to find out 3 values, 4, 5, 6. p4 equal to how much you got? p4 8k, p5 10k, p6 that is 12k. K value you already got, 30 into k means 1 by 44 is coming 15 by 22. Next you have to find expectation, that is sigma pi x, that is mean. Now put the value p1, that is 1 into k, 2 into 4k, 3 into 9k, plus 4 into 8k, plus 5 into 10k, plus 6 into 12k. Just add, it is coming how much? 190k. 190 into k value 1 by 44 equal to 95 by 22. In this question number 3 also completed from the chapter mean, variance and standard deviation of probability distribution. Try to practice these 3 sums. Next day I will do more sums. Thank you for today's class.